Stampers! Jackie Bolhuis from Klompen Stampers. I'm back today with another card in my SIP series. I've been having so much fun with these. Have you seen the other ones? SIP, stamps, ink, and paper. That's really all you need to make some quick and easy cards. Doesn't necessarily mean they're blah and boring, but stamps, ink, and paper, sometimes that's all we have. And I like to really focus on these SIP cards because I want you to understand that you don't need a ton of supplies. You can make cards quickly and easily with just a great stamp set and a few ink pads. Now, before I flip the camera down to show you today's project, make sure you've subscribed to my channel if you haven't already and tell your friends about it. And also, if you do not have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I would love to be your demonstrator and I'd love to send you a catalog. Let me know and ask me any questions. I'm here to help you however I can. Now with that, let's flip the camera down and let me show you today's SIP card. The stamp set we're using today is Tropical Chic. Now I chose this one this week because it's also my March feature set for my free card kits. If you missed that information, make sure you go back and see that. But if you place a $50 order between March 1st and 10th, I will send you a card kit to make 6 beautiful cards that use this stamp set. Now, I'll give you a peek at those cards later in case you haven't seen them, but first I want to show you how you can make some quick and easy cards just using the stamp set, no framelits, no dies, no, all that other stuff. I've got 3 ink pads and my stamps. Now, we are using the note cards. I love the note cards and envelopes. They come in a package with both of them, so you're all set to go, ready to stamp. I've already folded it in half here, but after I fold these in half, I like to open them back up so that they lay a little bit flatter for when I'm stamping. Now we've got Granny Apple Green, Poppy Parade, and Pineapple Punch. Now, SIP is what I've been talking about several times lately, and all it means is we're using just stamps, ink, and paper, because I want you to realize you can make quick and easy cards with not a lot of fuss to it. So we've inked up the big, I guess fern we'll call this one, and I'm going to stamp it on here once and then twice. We're going to stamp it a couple of times. That gives us those different shades in there. We'll do the same thing over here on that side. And then let's grab one of the other. This is, I don't know, kind of a palm. Maybe these are all palms because it's tropical. And let's maybe come over here and we'll do the same thing. We'll just pop in a little bit more greenery. Let's have some greenery in here. Let's just do one on that side. So we've gone that far. Now, one of the things I really, really like about this set is the font on the greetings. Oops, I forgot the black pad. Let me grab that one. So I'm just going to take my stamp here. It says, with much love and thanks. So these would be perfect for many different occasions, but what comes to mind for me is, what about thank yous for either a shower or a wedding? So black just pops really nice on that green. So we've got with much love and thanks. And then we'll take Poppy Parade and the flower that's in here, and we'll ink that up good. And then let's just put a couple of these tropical flowers in here. We'll put one over there, and how about one up like so. That's the outside. Then let's go ahead and flip it over for the inside. And we're going to use, it's kind of, I don't even know what you call it. It's got a bunch of little random lines on it. But we're going to use this to make a border down along the bottom. And I'm going to just use the edge of that stamp as my guide. I'm just lining up the edge of the stamp that I can see through my block with the edge of the paper. Puts that nice little border down there. And then why don't we grab our Granny Apple Green, kind of creating on the fly here. And we'll put couple more of these. Always make that inside just as pretty as the outside. Plus, the more you stamp, the less you have to write. That's kind of my little trick. So there's that. And then why don't we just put just another thank you in here. Now, something I like to do is not always place my inside greetings always like right in the middle like it's supposed to be. I kind of like it all gathered along the bottom. There's room for me to write. And then you know what I say about envelopes. No naked envelopes. We need to make sure we always stamp these. I try to stamp them at the same time I'm stamping the cards so I don't forget about them. So there is our envelope. And there is our SIP card, stamps, ink, and paper. That's all we've used. let me show you a couple other ones that I made. Now, these I did do just a smidgen, a little bit more. The 2 flowers I did cut out using the coordinating die. Now, if you didn't have the dies, you could easily cut those out with the scissors. I popped them up with dimensionals, but really, you could just stamp those on the card like I did on the ones today. And then it has these little dotted things. I don't know what I'm going to call them. We added that on there a little bit. This one, I just did that border down along the bottom. There's our envelope. And then this one, same thing. I cut the flower out, but I used that yellow border on the front, our little branches on there, and the same thing on the inside. So there are our 3 cards. Note cards and envelopes. Super simple. Stamps, ink, and paper is all we used on these. So again, as a reminder, you have until March 10th to pick up my free card kit this month. Here are the cards that the card kit makes. Now, these may look hard when you compare those to this. They're really not any harder. They take longer. There's more stamping, there's more cutting out, which has the dies to do that for you, and then piecing it all together. The step-by-step instructions plus the video filled with tips will guide you through making these, and you'll have fun making these cards. So you'll get all the supplies to make 6, 2 of each of these designs. So as always, any questions, make sure to ask. I am here to help you with all your stamping needs. So until I stamp with you again, have a stamp happy day.